Guys, as promised, the update. So this is what the outfit looked like finished, and it is very, very, very sparkly, guys. It's very, very, very sparkly. So I finished it up today, and guys, these boots I bought from Fashion Nova. So they have a little sparkly thing going too. So I just put these on with that. Gina, I want to say hi. Want to say hi? Be quiet. See? Say hi. There you go. Okay, now relax. Relax. Sit. So I wanted to show you guys the final update. So if you guys want to make it, just look at the pattern in the video before, guys. And basically it is just take a shirt, fold it, and cut half of the shirt like this. And then take 2 triangle pieces for each breast and put it on. Then you make your sleeves and then your leggings. But yeah, this is a spandex type of fabric, and I love this fabric. It is very pretty fabric. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. So remember, guys, if you want to make this, you can make it in any color, guys. So just follow those easy steps from video number 1, and you can see what the pattern will look like. And you guys can make this outfit at home as well. You guys have an awesome day, and as always, guys, happy sewing. I really like this outfit a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alrighty then, happy sewing. Bye-bye.